I've had an amazing time here at Big Impact Live. I've met so many cool people. I finally feel like I've found people that understand what I'm doing in my business and how I want to help people and still make money while doing it. If I have to pick one thing, there's been so many things that I've gotten so far from Big Impact Live, but the number one thing was we did an exercise to uncover our core wounds. And this has been something I've been recently working with my therapist, and so it's been a lot of emotions today specifically, and what I really got from it was how I've been playing small in my business based upon some childhood experiences that I've had, and how I can finally work through those and heal those so I can really show up the way I'm supposed to show up in the world. If you are seeking to connect with people that understand you, you want to help a lot of people and make money while doing it and not feel bad about wanting to do both, you're going to find your people here, and you're going to walk away with actionable items that you can implement immediately in your business to take it to that next level.